Hi friend to my channel. Today, let's know some interesting and thought-provoking facts about intelligence and wisdom. This topic was suggested by my classmate and hence I take pleasure in touching this topic. First, we should know the basic thing about these two words intelligence and wisdom, which is often confusing. Some people think both are same. Okay, let me tell you, intelligence means implementing the gained knowledge wisely and perfectly, while wisdom is built upon knowledge. You can be both wise and knowledgeable, but you cannot be wise without being knowledgeable. Knowledge is the collection of skills and information a person has acquired through experience. Intelligence is the ability to apply knowledge. It is commonly associated with knowing something. Wisdom not only knows but also it understands. And the distinction between knowing and understanding is what makes things interesting. When we say wisdom is more important than intelligence, it means that wisdom always leads to truth, while intelligence may be used to deceive. Knowledge is knowing what to say, and wisdom is knowing when to say. This is a quote by an unknown author. Wisdom harmonizes our lives, establishes our priorities, and brings us to the right relationships with ourselves and with the other world too. A wise person develops in him the qualities of love for what is good, humility, compassion, empathy, and justice. There is a beautiful quote by Swami Sukhbodhananda. I quote, knowledge should destroy ignorance. If knowledge protects ignorance, then it is not knowledge. Knowledge will not transform our country, but it is wisdom which will transform our country. I unquote. Intelligence is the ability to solve a problem. Wisdom is the ability to know whether the problem needs to be solved, whether it is the right problem, and whether it is a problem at all. The most important key to wisdom is the realization that you really know nothing and that you humbly bow before the mystery of life. Intelligence without wisdom brings destruction. It is said by Errol Ozan. Knowledge is knowing what to say. Wisdom is knowing whether or not to say it. As someone clearly said, an intelligent man thinks he knows everything. A wise man knows that there is something to learn. If you ask, is memory an intelligence or wisdom? The answer is intelligence is your ability to recall a memory. Wisdom is your ability to pay attention. Wisdom is always shared from the heart. I would like to end this video with two quotes I came across which I liked the most. Number one, the truly intelligent person is the one who can pretend to be a fool in front of fools who pretend to be intelligent. I repeat, the truly intelligent person is the one who can pretend to be a fool in front of fools who pretend to be intelligent. And the second one, wisdom is having the right answer. Intelligence is asking the right question. I hope you all liked this video. See you in my next video. If you have any topics in mind on which you want me to make a video, please put it in the comments. Thank you for watching and bye for now.